Alright, now we have our garlic, our shrimp, and we have taken the shells off, so we're going to dispose of these gloves and the shells. And you may notice that I've let this burner on because we're about to go ahead and saute up our garlic for our shrimp. So we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to move that around at the bottom of the pan and up around the sides. We'll take our garlic and spread it evenly. Over the sides. And swirl or stir to make sure that it cooks evenly.